Hello, my name is Sergio Zarati. I'm going to be talking about my blog. Here over on the side I have 3 pages, the home, about me, and learning technologies page. I'm actually going to go ahead and start with the about me page. Like I said, my name is Sergio. I'm a 23-year-old environmental engineer major. I'm a sophomore at the Columbus campus. I spend most of my time swimming or catching up on schoolwork. I'm from Mexico and I've been living here in the States for a while now. I currently live in New Jersey, and I've always wanted to go to Ohio State. Primarily, this was due to the fact that I grew up in Cincinnati area. I have developed a passion for photography and do that as a hobby. I have 2 younger siblings that I very much love and deeply involved in my life. And here at the bottom are some samples of my photography. At the bottom picture, this is me. I'm going to go ahead and start with the, go ahead to the homepage. And here I have the 3 takeaways. I have the online tools. I was first introduced to different types of applications that could help you organize your time. I enjoy being informed about these applications because I have them on my phone, which allows me to carry them all the time compared to a planner. I learned about Trello, which is basically an online organization digital planner. One could set up due dates for assignments and place them in sections on how completed they are. And I'll continue to use this application for the duration of my studies. Goal settings. I have a difficult time having to prioritize my assignments. I will often prioritize my harder classes that take more time. This causes me to neglect the classes that take less time, and it becomes a little harder to handle. I think by designating a day of the week, preferably a Sunday or Monday, on what one needs to get done will help. This exercise has helped me reflect and strategize on how I would tackle my future assignments. And then working in groups. Often I dislike working in group projects for a given class. I dislike depending on people to get their part of their assignment to be done. I learned different strategies that will help me resolve conflict. I think the important part of working in groups is having strong communication and executing skills. Often people struggle working with one another. I believe that in the career aspect, this is one of the things that will be done the most. I see why it is important to start to learn how to handle conflict and help resolve situations in the future. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the Learning Technologies page. The first technology that comes to my mind is the App Study Manager. This app was first introduced to us at the start of the semester. The purpose of this app is to help you organize your assignments and set a certain time dedicated to complete the assignment. I personally was not a fan because I usually tend to spend more time on the assignments than I usually expect. It did help me organize the homework as well as plan my routine around assignments. The second technology is Trello. I personally really like this application because I was able to put on due dates on assignments. I could also set a date when homework was due and look ahead of the week and plan accordingly. Not only was this app useful for school life, but it was also as well as for social events. I could use this app like a planner and set when I was going out with a friend, so I wouldn't forget. And then another type of technology tool that I often use is OneNote. I really enjoy this tool because it helps me keep my lecture notes organized. I enjoy the fact that it also keeps my backpack light. I'm able to keep a notebook for all my classes in my computer. I'm able to create tabs for my different classes. In different tabs, I'm able to create a page and write about the main points of the lecture. Another helpful feature is that when I create a new page, the date appears. Although I do keep a physical notebook for studying, I feel like as if I grasp material better when I'm touching the page and holding a pencil and actually writing a paper. Well, thank you for visiting my blog. Hope you have a good rest of the semester.